Whoa, Mr. Hino, that's a cool robot. Can it do FLL?
No, it's not a first Lego League robot. It's just a race car.
What was that? Just a race car? I will show you, Mr. Hino. What? How do you like me now, Mr. Hino? What? What? Well, 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 Mr. Hino, I proved you wrong and showed that I can be a first Lego League robot.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.